I'm about to demonstrate the clarinet for the song Dirty Bird. Okay, make sure you have your music with you, and I'm going to try to combine both clarinet 1, 2, and 3 on this video. So for the one that you play, just fast forward or scroll to the part that you play. So let's do clarinet 1. Clarinet 1 starts off with a D. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, D. And it goes from D, 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 C, D, D, C, D, D, C. Just from D to C, low D, C key. Right there. And then it pops up, the other alternating note that it plays is D, D, F. So, then does that again. And then it jumps down to the C in that second to last measure. Then go the C sharp, it's right here on the side. You're going to grace that C sharp to the D. C sharp, D. C sharp, D. And then you're going to hop up to the F. And then you're going to go back to the C sharp. This time you want to make sure you're holding the C key because you're going from C sharp to C. So, second to last measure, I'm starting on the rest, and then beat to the C. 1. And then you go to the B flat. You got to jump up, roll up to the B flat. Don't pick your fingers up. Roll up. Roll up like that. And then you're going to either go down to the low C where you just take your fingers off, or you can jump up to the high G. 1, 2, 3 with the octave key in the back. So, slowly, the two versions of the last two measures. 1. Sorry. 1. That's the low G. High G. 1. Okay, so the full song. Here we go. Still on first clarinet. 1, 3. 1, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1. Or, got it? That was first clarinet. Okay, I'm going to move on to second clarinet now. Second clarinet. Okay, second clarinet, we'll start off on the B flat. B flat, that's your octave key in the back and your A key in the front. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, G. So G is nothing. Then you go B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, C. So now you're jumping the break from B flat to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the bottom C key. So you have 1. Now I came off that G a little too early a minute ago, so I'm going to do it again. 1. Ready, play. 1. 1. 3, 2, 3, 4, keep going. 1, 3. Okay, now you went to the A. Now you're gonna go C sharp, the same as the first clarinets. Same thing. So if you watch the first clarinet part, that last two measures is the same except for your first note is A. I think their first note was possibly C. So you have A, and that grace note is going to be a little faster than I did. Now, is, and you're definitely coming down to the low G, not to the high G like that. They have the option to do. So, and you also, you heard me play those crescendos. Make sure you hit those crescendos, that frissandos on those whole notes. And bring the volume up. So, hopefully that's pretty clear on the second clarinet. Let's go on to clarinet 3. Okay, so clarinet 3. Appears to be exactly almost okay. We're staying on the same notes, in the second phrase. So we're going B flat, B flat, B flat, G, no fingers, rest. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat. Stay on B flat. Then the next one we go B flat, B flat, B flat, G, 2, 3, 4, 1. B flat, rest. B flat, B flat, B flat, rest. And then we go to the A, like the second clarinet did, except for now you're going to go octave lower. We're going down to the low D. And we have no grace note. D to the F. And then we're going to hit low C sharp. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, and the close pinky key. Close pinky, not these, the close pinky key. Right here. And we're going to play that, and then we're going to lift it for the C, C sharp to C. And we're going to hit low B flat. And then we're going to jump to G with no fingers. So last two measures, listen. 1, again, 1, A, D. That's your ending. So let's play the whole thing. 1, 2, ready, play. One, 3, 4, 1. One. Sorry, I took my eyes off the music. Okay, I'm going to play that one more time again. 1, 2, ready, play. 1. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3. 1. Get that? Now when I'm moving my hands out like this, I'm doing that so you can see. Don't play like that. Keep your fingers close. When you're playing G, high G, your fingers should still be like this. But me trying to show you where the keys are right now, that's why I'm moving my hands out of the way. So don't play, that's poor technique. All right.